Hello, BSc third year students. Now all of you are ready for the period. So we have started the chapter number 3, and name of that chapter is the mimicry and coloration. I am just revising here, summarizing what is we have studied from this chapter. So the name of the chapter is mimicry and coloration. We are studying the ethological part. Our 2 units are based on the ethology. So this mimicry and coloration, this chapter number 3 is also based on the animal behavior, that is on the ethology. So yesterday we have studied the types of mimicry. So in the mimicry, there are 2 types of mimicry. One is the protective mimicry and second one is the aggressive mimicry. So protective mimicry we have studied, and in that protective mimicry, further there are 2 types, that is the concealment protective mimicry and warning protective mimicry. So that we have studied with suitable examples. And today we will study the remaining part of that chapter. So another type of mimicry is aggressive mimicry. Aggressive म्हणजे खतरनाक. So in aggressive mimicry, there is the attack of animals on the other animals. The animal, here animal behavior, we are studying animal behavior. So one animal is aggressive, and that aggressive animals are attacked on the other animals. Remember, here the aggressive means there is the attack of animals for their protection. So here protection and attack, these 2 things are happen in this type of animal behavior. That is the aggressive mimicry type of animal behavior. Now in this type of animal behavior, this is a common in the carnivorous animals. Aggressive mimicry is a common in the carnivorous animals. And all of you know that what is the carnivorous animals. On the basis of the feeding habit, food taking habit, animals are classified into 3 different groups. So one is the herbivorous animals, second is the carnivorous animals, and third is the omnivorous animals. Herbivorous animals means animals, those are feeding on the only the directly or indirectly on the plants, only plants. That animal called as the herbivorous animals. Carnivorous means animals, those are eating on the herbivorous animals, or animals are which depend for the food on the other animals directly. You are understanding me? हर्बिव्होरस म्हणजे त्याला आपण मराठीमध्ये शाकाहारी असं म्हणू शकतो, का जे फक्त प्लांट्स खातात. आणि कार्निव्होरस म्हणजे याला आपण मांसाहारी म्हणू शकतो, का जे अन्नासाठी हर्बिव्होरस मध्ये म्हणजे शाकाहारी प्राण्यांवरती अवलंबून असतात. कार्निव्होरस म्हणजे मांसाहारी प्राणी शाकाहारी प्राण्यांना खाऊन जगतात. And another type, that is the omnivorous type of animal behavior. So omnivorous means they are eating the both types of the foods, herbivores as well as means plants as well as the other animals. So this type of animal behavior, aggressive mimicry type of animal behavior, is a common in the carnivorous animals. Remember, carnivorous animals means the animals those eating on other animals. In environment there is the food chain, different food chains. So this type of animal behavior, aggressive mimicry type of animal behavior, is a common in the carnivorous animals. Here for example, the yellow spiders. Remember, this is a spider, makdi, कात ज्याला आपण म्हणतो का, स्पेशल टाइप ऑफ द स्पायडर. which lives on the plant flowers. So this yellow spider is found on the red colored flowers, golden red colored flowers. हा जो स्पायडर आहे, हा जो मकडी आहे, कात आहे, ही येलो स्पायडर म्हणजे येलो कलर्ड स्पायडर. यू आर अंडरस्टँडिंग स्पायडर. स्पायडर म्हणजे झाडावरती फुलावरती ज्या मकड्या असतात, मकड्या कात म्हणतो आपण त्याला. So that yellow colored or yellow spider is found on the golden red colored flowers, and that spider perfectly match on that flowers. This animal, the yellow spider, perfectly match on that golden red colored flowers. Nobody can easily identify. There is the spider on the flowers. And when the flower visiting insects are attracting to that flower or coming for the nectar collection from that flower visiting insects are depend on the flower for their food. So when that animals or such insects, other insects are coming to that flower, sitting on that flower, that time this spider attack on that animals and use that as a food. As a food. Because it is a carnivorous. This yellow spider is carnivorous. So when other small insects are sitting on that flower, attracting that flower, that time this attack on that. Previously, this is not identified. Other insect, flower visiting insects are confused. They don't know there is the yellow spider, because this yellow spider perfectly matched to that flower, golden red color flower. So in this way, this yellow spider attack, and that is used as a prey. So here, this is the predator and that is the prey. Predator, prey. And this is the carnivore. Now, this is the best example of the aggressive mimicry animal behavior. There are a number of examples, but in our notes I have selected this example because this example is easy for understanding. Now, from this chapter, another part after the mimicry, up to the here mimicry is completed. The next part of this chapter is the coloration, because our chapter is the mimicry and coloration. Mimicry and coloration. So up to here mimicry we have studied. So remember, in the mimicry there are two types of the mimicry. One is the protective mimicry and another one is the aggressive mimicry. Now we will study the coloration, and here you remember the spelling of color is changed. Previous time the spelling of color is COLOUR. Now U is deleted from the color. Now spelling is COLOR. ATM. Coloration. कलरची स्पेलिंग आता बदललेली आहे. पूर्वी कलरची स्पेलिंग काय लिहायचो आपण? COLOUR. आता कलरची स्पेलिंग जी आहे COLOR. काही संकल्पना बदलतात, काही स्पेलिंग बदलतात. That is the modification, that is the modernization, that is the change. Change is essential. पूर्वी माणसाच्या मूलभूत गरजा अन्न, वस्त्र आणि निवार, पूर्वीच्या ज्या बेसिक नीड्स होत्या मानवाच्या, the basic needs of the human beings previously was the food, shelter and clothes. Now two basic needs are added. पूर्वीच्या ज्या मूलभूत गरजा होत्या अन्न, वस्त्र, निवारा, त्याच्यामध्ये आता दोन पुन्हा मूलभूत गरजा ऍडिशन झालेल्या आहेत. काय आहे त्या? अन्न वस्त्र निवारा 3 आहे आधीच्या, आता 2 कोणत्या मूलभूत गरजा त्याच्यामध्ये ऍडिशन झालेल्या आहे. तो रिमेंबर, वन इज द एज्युकेशन, शिक्षण, अँड नेक्स्ट वन इज द हेल्थ, दॅट इज द आरोग्य. अन्न वस्त्र निवारा, शिक्षण आणि आरोग्य, आता माणसाच्या मूलभूत गरजा त्या 5 झालेल्या आहेत. 5 बेसिक नीड्स, which was in previous time only 3. Now it is a 5. So here the color spelling is changed. Now coloration, COLORATION, coloration. So animals in nature, in environment, some of the animals perfectly matches to their surroundings. Number of animals in our environment, they are perfectly matches to their surrounding or to their habitat where they are living. Simply you can note that on the green crop there is the green larvae which matches to that crop, green crops. Sometimes some fruit is red in color and on that fruit red color larvae is there. Sometimes green, our jawar, is white in color. So white color larvae is present in that jawar, in that grains. So animals are matching to their surroundings or to their environment. That is a natural gift to the animals for the protection from their predators, from their enemies. So coloration is very important in the animals. It is the natural device for the protection of the animals. So here the animals matches with surroundings. So that is called as the coloration in animals. Now types of the coloration. So Walton is the name of the ethologist who have done a study of ethology or animal behavior. So Walton studied different coloration in the animals. This ethologist, remember, the scientist who have done a study on the animal behavior, he is called as the ethologist. So ethologist Walton studied different colors of animals are present in the nature. So coloration in animals are of different types. There are 3 types of the coloration in the animals. One type is the protective coloration, another type is the aggressive coloration, and third type is the warning coloration. So here protective coloration, that protect the animals from their enemies or from their predators. Protective coloration, protect. So here buffalo, example is the buffalo. The buffalo is a toad, is an amphibian animal. Toad, जमिनीवरचा frog ज्याला आपण amphibian. Those can respire in water as well as on land also. So some of the animals, they are living in water, amphibian animals. For example, Rana tigrina, मोठा फ्रॉग असतो, मोठा बेंडूक पाण्यामध्ये असतो, विहिरीमध्ये असतो, एवढा लांब असतो, राणा टायग्रीना. And some of the frogs at the night, they are coming to the light for eating the insects. That is called as a toad. They are living on the land, but at the time of the reproduction they are going in the water. So this is a buffalo. This is a special type of the toad, amphibian animal. This buffalo matches their color with the leaf of forest flower. Leaf of forest flower. फॉरेस्ट मध्ये, जंगलामध्ये जे झाडाचं जे पानं जे पडतात खाली, पिकलेले पानं जंगलामध्ये, फॉरेस्ट मध्ये जे खाली पडतात, दिस बफो मॅचेस विथ दॅट लिव्स विच इज फॉल ऑन द फ्लोर, जमिनीवर. सो दॅट इज द कलरेशन, प्रोटेक्टिव्ह कलरेशन. त्या पालापाचोळ्यामध्ये, त्या पानामध्ये, झाडाच्या पानामध्ये हा बफो बसलेला असेल तर ओळखू येत नाही का बफो इथे आहे म्हणून. वी कॅन नॉट आयडेंटिफाय. when it do the movement, that time we will know here is the buffalo, because it perfectly matches with the leaf of forest floor. Another example, leaf fish. This is a special type of the fish. Matches with floating leaf in river. नदीमध्ये जे फ्लोटिंग लिप्स असतात, झाडाचे जे पानं पिणं पडलेले असतात नदीमध्ये, त्या पानावरती किंवा त्या पानाला ही फिश जी आहे, लिप फिश, अशी परफेक्टली मॅच होते की आपल्याला असं वाटतं का हे सुद्धा पालापाचोळाच आहे, हे सुद्धा जे आहे झाडाचं पानच आहे. सो लिप फिश परफेक्टली मॅचेस विथ द floating leaves in the river. Now another type of the coloration is the aggressive coloration. This aggressive coloration, aggressive म्हणजे राग, गुस्सा, राग येणे, खवताळणे, aggressive coloration. So this type of coloration is present in the terrified animals, danger animals, terrified animals. Example, mantis and the eyed hawk. Mantis, that is also called as the praying insect, having the larger eyes. Mantis, arthropod animal, belongs to the class Insecta, having the larger eyes. Similarly, this eyed hawk, moth म्हणजे हा बटरफ्लायचाच प्रकार, पाकुळ्यासारखाच असतो, but not flying just like the butterfly, looking like the butterfly. So that moth, on their wings having the larger ocelli, just like the eyes. पंख असे केले, पंख ओपन केले की त्याच्या पंखावरती असं जे पंख आहे, असं जे पंख असते बटरफ्लायचे, असं तिथे मोठं डोळ्यासारखे असे तिच्यावरती ओसिलाय म्हणतात, असे ओसिलाय असतात. यांचे जे भक्षक आहे, हे भक्षक यांना बघतात आणि त्यांना असं वाटतं की हे मोठे डोळे आहेत आणि इथे कुठला तरी भयानक प्राणी बसतो. आपण याच्या जवळ गेलो तर आपल्याला हे भयानक प्राणी खाऊन टाकेल. सो मॅन्टिस, हियर द मॅन्टिस and the eyed hawk moth having the larger ocelli, and due to that ocelli, that animals are looking the terrified animals. So their predators run away. Another type of the coloration is the warning coloration. This warning coloration means some of the animals, they are having the adaptation to change their body colors. So here some of the frogs and some of the birds, they are having the blue and black coloration on their body. And due to that blue and black coloration, their predators knows these animals having the tasteless flesh. ह्या ॲनिमलचं, फ्रॉगचं आणि पक्ष्यांचं जे मांस आहे ते टेस्टलेस आहे. कशामुळे? द ब्ल्यू अँड ब्लॅक कलर्स. Some of the frogs, African frog, they becomes the forelimbs on the just like jumping movement. मागच्या पायावरती असे समोरचे पाय उंच करून उभे राहतात and changing their ventral side of the body becomes yellowish color. So the animals which is just in front of that knows that this is a very dangerous animal and run away. So this is the warning color, giving the warning by changing the color to their predators. यांच्या समोर जर प्रिडेटर आलं तर हे बॉडीचे कलर असं चेंज करतात की यांच्या प्रिडेटरला, यांच्या भक्षकाला कळते की याचे जे मांस आहे ते टेस्टलेस आहे किंवा याच्या बॉडीचे कलरचे चेंज होत आहे, तर ही आपल्यापेक्षा जास्त विषारी आहे. सो रन अवे. सो डिअर स्टुडंट्स, हियर दिस mimicry and coloration chapter is completed. And here I would like to declare our 2 units are complete. I will send you the notes of this 2 unit. You study that, and I will send 1 question for test, first test, and 1 question for first tutorial. We have to arrange the test and tutorial for internal assessment. 2 चॅप्टर झाले, 2 युनिट झाले, 2 घटक झाले. त्या 2 घटकावरती आपल्याला एक टेस्ट आणि एक ट्युटोरियल घेणं कंपल्सरी असतं, कंटिन्युअस असेसमेंट. मग मी तुम्हाला एक टेस्टसाठी क्वेश्चन देणार आणि एक ट्युटोरियलसाठी क्वेश्चन देणार. तुम्ही याच्या आधीच्या सेमिस्टरमध्ये जसं टेस्ट ट्युटोरियल लिहिलं तशीच वही बनवायची टेस्ट ट्युटोरियलची. त्याच्यामध्ये पहिलं टेस्ट लिहायची, टेस्ट नंबर 1 लिहायचं. तो कंप्लीट झाला की नवीन पेजेसवरती ट्युटोरियल फर्स्ट लिहायचं. So in this way you have to write the test and tutorial also. So dear students, here the 2 units are completed. This chapter number 3rd, mimicry and coloration, is completed here. So 2 units are completed from your syllabus. So remaining we will see in next period. For today it is sufficient. Thank you very much. Dhanyavad.